Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see types of testing. What are all the various types of testing are there? How they are classified or categorized? Let's see. Software testings are divided into manual testing and automation testing. Okay. So what is manual testing? What is automation testing? All these things I'll be covering in my later videos. For the time being, in today's session, we'll be seeing different types of testing. So, as I said, software testing is divided into first manual testing and automation testing. Manual testing is further divided into white box testing, black box testing, and gray box testing. No need to worry about the definition of what is black box testing, what is white box testing, what is gray box testing. All these things will be covered in my later videos. So please have patience on this. White box testing, black box testing, gray box testing are the categories of manual testing. Then black box testing is categorized into functional testing and non-functional testing. Friends, please remember this type of interview questions will come very frequently. They'll be asking you what are all the different types of testing, what is white box testing, what is black box testing, what is gray box testing, how black box testing is divided. They'll be asking you what is functional testing, what is non-functional testing. All those things I'll be covering in my later videos. Okay? Alright. So black box testing is divided into functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional testing is divided into again unit testing, integration testing, system testing. And non-functional testing is divided into performance testing, usability testing, compatibility testing, and security testing. So these are entire software testing types which I'll be telling you in detail one by one with example in my later videos. So no need to worry friends. That's all for today video. If you like my channel then please subscribe it. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask me in my comment section. I'll be happy to help all your queries. Thank you.